Are you ready to seize an opportunity that could propel you into the realm of financial freedom? Imagine making an astonishing $50,000 per month, all thanks to the incredible potential of artificial intelligence's shell. It's a game changer that promises to revolutionize the way you do business, supercharge your productivity, and pave the way for substantial income growth. In today's dynamic landscape, embracing AI isn't just an option, so it's a decisive step that separates those who thrive from those left behind. While AI innovations flood the headlines, not all of them hold the key to unlocking your financial dreams. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we unveil 7 AI tools designed to do more than just impress. In today's digital landscape, the choice to either embrace or overlook AI is a critical one. The constant influx of news headlines often hails each new AI as a game changer, promising to usher everyone into the next level of success. However, it's crucial to maintain a realistic perspective. While the UI tools can be impressive, not all of them offer meaningful benefits. Many are flashy, but ultimately fail to significantly improve your efficiency or financial outcomes. An effective AI tool should serve one of 2 primary purposes: enhancing your income or saving you valuable time. These tools should seamlessly integrate into your workflow, streamlining processes rather than complicating them. In this guide, we will introduce you to 7 AI tools that excel in these areas and have the potential to make you more money while saving you time. Historically, building websites was a labor-intensive and expensive endeavor. It required proficiency in various coding languages, design skills, and the manual creation of code. Even the most basic websites could cost thousands of dollars and take weeks or even months to develop. While platforms like WordPress and Wix have made website creation more accessible, the time required to design, write content, and learn these platforms remains a challenge. This is where AI tools like 10Web, Ably and Durable Stay come into play. These platforms leverage AI to build complete websites rapidly, handling everything from design to content generation. With just a few minutes of input and prompts, you can transition from having no website to a fully functional, visually appealing one. Moreover, these tools often offer additional features like built-in SEO and AI recreation, allowing you to customize your website further. In recent years, our attention spans have shortened, demanding that content creators capture audience interest more quickly. Short-form content has become increasingly popular, necessitating creative ways to condense information effectively. However, hiring a dedicated team for this purpose can be costly. This clip provides a solution by leveraging AI to convert long-form videos into shorter, engaging content. It identifies the most compelling segments within videos and assembles them to eliminate dull moments. The AI Copilot feature also enables keyword-based clipping, making content creation more efficient. Whether you are an individual content creator or a business, Opus Clip can save you time, money, and potentially lead to increased virality. Another AI tool that simplifies your workflow and saves your time is ChatGPT Writer. When AI-powered writing tools initially emerged, their primary application was simplifying routine writing tasks. However, a common challenge arose. The time it took to set up AI for tasks like email responses often exceeded the time it would take to write the email manually. ChatGPT Writer addresses this issue by providing a straightforward Chrome extension. Streamlines the process of using AI to respond to emails, making it quick and efficient. Studio's AI is a valuable tool that can either assist or replace your support team. It operates effectively on your website, enhancing customer experiences and potentially boosting sales. This AI-powered chatbot excels at quickly addressing frequently asked questions, ensuring a smoother customer journey. By reducing the need for extensive FAQs, your website can convert more visitors into customers. Additionally, the AI can handle advanced queries like order status and restocking information by accessing your database. Furthermore, AI enables your human customer support team to work more efficiently. It transforms brief responses from your agents into full sentences that align with your company's branding. When faced with inquiries beyond its knowledge base, AI smoothly transfers customers to human agents. With the capability to answer up to 70 of customer questions, this tool significantly improves response times and leads to increased customer satisfaction and potentially higher sales. Have you ever found yourself wading through lengthy documents? Whether for a class assignment or work-related reading, this process can be time-consuming and mentally taxing. However, DocuAsk offers a solution. Instead of slogging through pages of text, You can use this AI tool to analyze documents and provide answers to your questions through a chat interface. Extracting information from documents becomes remarkably straightforward, saving you hours of manual reading and interpretation. Microsoft's Copilot is an AI tool that complements the entire suite of Microsoft products, offering a wide range of capabilities. From analyzing Excel spreadsheets to creating detailed PowerPoint presentations, Copilot is a versatile assistant. It can even transcribe meeting notes and generate summaries of key points and action items. If, for instance, one of your action items is to create a presentation, Copilot can produce a customized presentation in line with your branding guidelines. It integrates seamlessly with your calendar, preparing you for upcoming meetings and automating various tasks, including email responses. Whether you need to prepare a pitch deck or analyze financial data, Copilot enhances efficiency across multiple Microsoft applications. Adobe Firefly stands out as a groundbreaking AI tool that offers more than just time and cost savings. While many AI tools streamline existing processes, Firefly empowers users to achieve results that were previously unattainable. It possesses a remarkable ability to create various content types, revolutionizing the way we approach content creation. For instance, Firefly can generate realistic images based on detailed text descriptions. This feature is invaluable for scenarios requiring product photography or visual representation. Traditionally, such tasks would demand the involvement of graphic designers and artists, resulting in higher costs. With Firefly, you can elevate your content quality without escalating expenses. Another fascinating feature of Firefly is its generative fill capability, which allows it to add or remove objects within images seamlessly. Suppose you wish to change an outfit in a photo or manipulate an image's composition. In that case, Firefly accomplishes these tasks effortlessly, producing natural-looking results. Additionally, Firefly can transform sketches into photorealistic images and offers a range of creative possibilities. In conclusion, the AI revolution is not dissimilar to previous technological advancements. Amidst the excitement, there will inevitably be tools that fade into obscurity. The key lies in distinguishing the enduring trends from the transient ones and capitalizing on the former. With the 7 AI tools mentioned, you have the potential to not only save time, but also enhance your productivity, earning potential, and creative capabilities. That's all for today. If you liked the video, hit subscribe and like the video. Until next time, see you soon.